are there famous female traditional Irish musicians. When you think about traditional Irish music, you might picture lively sessions in cozy pubs or the haunting melodies of the harp. But did you know that many talented women have shaped this beautiful genre? Let's take a closer look at some famous female traditional Irish musicians who have made their mark both in Ireland and around the world. Mary Black is one of the most respected folk singers from Dublin. With her soulful voice, she has a unique ability to blend traditional Irish ballads with contemporary folk music. She started her career in the late 1970s and gained popularity with albums like Mary Black, No Frontiers, and The Holy Ground. Songs like Song for Ireland and Only a Woman's Heart showcase her incredible talent. Another iconic figure is Moya Brennan, often referred to as the First Lady of Celtic music. As the lead singer of the influential band Clannad from County Donegal, her voice is featured in well-known tracks like Theme from Harry's Game and In a Lifetime, a duet with Bono. Moya has also enjoyed a successful solo career, highlighting her songwriting and vocal skills. Dolores Keane is another prominent name in traditional Irish music. Known for her rich and emotive singing style, she has contributed greatly to the folk music scene. Maura O'Connell and Muireann Nick Amleb are also recognized for their beautiful voices and performances of traditional Irish songs. Let's not forget about early 20th century musicians like Mary Kilcar and Lucy Farr, who played vital roles in preserving traditional Irish music, even if their contributions were less documented at the time. Margaret Barry, an Irish traveller singer and banjo player, gained recognition for her powerful performances and influence on Irish folk music. If you are planning a trip to Ireland and want to experience traditional music, attending live music sessions in pubs, festivals, or cultural centers is a great way to hear these talented voices. Many of these female artists have recordings and performances that capture the spirit of Irish tradition. Understanding the contributions of these musicians can enrich your travel experience, connecting you to Ireland's musical history and vibrant local music scenes. So, whether you are enjoying a pint in a pub or wandering through a festival, keep an ear out for the sounds of these remarkable women who have helped shape traditional Irish music.